Hey, what is up, guys? It's Green here from the Gal HD. Right, alright. So, I just need to say something quickly. It's like a little update, alright? And basically, what I'm going to say is that with our 4-day schedule, or the 4 video schedule, Jesus Christ, I can't talk. We are going to do Monday, Wednesday, me, and then Tuesday and Thursday purple. Okay, that's what we're gonna try. Okay, try. So let's get into Cat Mario. This is my first cancerous game of the week. So bam, I think that's the one. All right. So I've never tried this. I've only seen it once on YouTube. Okay, wait, what word? Okay, there are arrows. Now WASD. Okay, so I know, like, what? Okay, no. Oh, god damn it. Okay, I believe in myself. Wait, didn't I have 3? How am I at 1? Oh no. How am I at 1 life if I just okay? Never mind. Oh my god. Wait, what? Why didn't it die? Okay. Just. Oh no. God damn it! Okay, let's try this again. Come on. Just freestyle. Oh, shit. God damn it. Alright. You got nothing on me. No. See, I trick it. I trick that seal. Whatever it is. I think it's a seal. Bam, look at this, right? Bam. Okay. What am I supposed to do there? Okay, wait. I think I got an idea. Okay. Oh my god, no. Bam. Okay. I made it! Okay, come on. Oh my god, I'm good. Okay. Let's get... I think this is the checkpoint. Okay, the one thing I remember from watching like those old 2003 videos is, or no, 2013, Jesus Christ, not 2003, was to not like go down there. Oh, great. Well, this is what happens if you go down there. Shit. Hey, ooh. Woohoo! Shit, let me get that out. The scroller was just in there. Okay. Kill myself. Go die in a hole. Okay. Swear to God, I'm gonna get so pissed right now. I just wanna do it. Freaking Camp Mario. Freaking has ball sacks as nose. Like, what the? Oh shit. Wait, no. Oh, no. Yep. They were there. I remember. God. What was that sound that I just made? Okay, come on. Okay. Oh my god. What? No. Oh my god. Negative 5. That's just great, huh? Shit. Okay. Alright, okay. Alright, okay. Oh shit, no, don't fall. God damn it! It's been like 4 minutes already, dude, and I can't. Come on, ball sacks, cat. I'm gonna call you that. No, Cat Mario, ball sack cat. Come on, you could do it. Oh yes, ball sack cat. You could do it. Okay. Bam! Kaboom! Kabooma! Okay. What? Are you? God damn it! Okay. The one time I go like that. The one time I go with that path, that happens. So sick. Just let me. Oh my god! No! Bam! Bam! Yes, ball sack cat. You could do it. Yes, shake your anus. Shake your anus. Alright. How is that possible? Okay. Okay. Come on. Oh my god. Come on. Just ball sack cat. I got the checkpoint at like the first minute, I think. And now it's taking me like 4, maybe even like 5 minutes to finish the other half. Yes, come on. Ball sack cat. You could do this. I believe in you, ball sack cat. Alright. Kabooma! Bam! Alright. I think from what? Bam! God. Yes, finally! Are you serious? Are you serious? God, you know that shit's stupid. Okay, look at that. Like, what is this? Okay, no. Shit, man. I guess this is the hard life of being a YouTuber with like very few subscribers. Come on. I believe in myself. I don't think you guys do. Most likely not. Oh my god. Wait. Whoa. Did I just touch? I do not think that he touched me. But it is the game and oh no. Oh my god. Freaking ballsack cat. Can't do anything. Come on, ballsack cat. I believe in you. Marshmallow ballsack cat. See? Will that make you happier? Yes, shake your anus. Alright. Oh, yes. Mr. Krabs. I'm the best squeaker of YouTube. Yes. Oh no! I did not. Bam. Kabooma. Alright. Oh. I was in front of. Oh my god. Come on, don't be like this. Don't be a pep. Freaking ballsack cat. Don't be a pep. Don't be a pepperoni. Come on. Alright. Yes. Okay. Yes, nice ballsack cat. You're so close. Come on, ballsack cat. Move with the group. Bam. See, you're moving with the group. See what happened? Alright. Ready? Alright. Oh no, I want to. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh man. Alright, speed run, boys. Oh my god, speed run. Oh my. Are you fucking serious? Alright, this is what happened in every. Okay. I'm speed run, boys. This is what happens whenever you play a cancerous game like this. I don't know if you can really hear this like song, but it's very cancerous. I'm just saying. Okay, come on. Don't. Oh my god, you're being a testicle. Don't be a testicle. God damn it. Alright. Yes, you're not being. You're being a good testicle cat. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Good testicle cat. Now we need a jump. Oh my god, that was too early, dude. Oh, bad testicle cat. No. Speed run. I'm not gonna die this time. Speed run. Come on. Oh my god. Up. What? How that possible? How that possible? How you possible? Okay, come on, Ballsack. Come on, Ballsack. I'm gonna call you Ballsack. That's your name now. It's not Ballsack Cat. Now your name is Ballsack. You're my pet, Ballsack. Come on. Come on, Ballsack. Okay. This is like the freaking 7th time. I swear to God, this is going over 10 minutes. Oh my God. Okay, I'm getting tick off, man. Tick. Oh my fucking. Okay. Alright, okay. We gotta be safe. No dying, testicle cat. Come on, testicle cat. 4, bam. What you got? What you? Shit. What you got on me? Bam. Nothing, testicle cat. Nothing could beat you. Even a walrus, okay? So. Wait a minute. Oh no. I just thought maybe if I jump and then I go back behind the flag and then do that thingamajiggy, the walrus still came at me. So oh shit, no. Wait, is this game like impossible? Oh wow, you can actually kill them this time. Is this like game impossible or something? Cat Mario, stop being a Cat Mario. Oh shit, no, I said Cat Mario. I meant to say testicle cat. Stop being a testicle cat. I swear to God, this video is gonna be like 20 minutes of me failing. Oh my God, dude, stop being a. Why are you being a ball sack cat? No, please. Let me. I hate cancerous games like this. Kill me. Kill myself. Die in a hole. Oh my God. Alright, speedrun. Another speedrun. Oh my God, I forgot to go. Okay. Just no talking. Okay. Bam, boom, bam, bop. Body da bam, boom. Okay. Just oh shit. No. Shake your anus. Okay. I gotta shake your. Oh shit, no. Shake your anus. Alright. Now, ready? 3, 2. I'm ending this shit. No more, dude. This is like this. Shut up, purple. This is. Oh my God, dude. Oh my God, dude. Oh my God. Well, I'm gonna end it here. Please, let's get up to 1 like. We smashed the like button last time. We got freaking 2 likes. Thank you guys so much for that. Whoa, wait. Hearing for purple. Oh, we got 3 likes. Oh my God, guys. You guys are amazing. Well, please subscribe, like, and comment. And peace.